as somebody said, wrote in the text, President Mahama had told the NDC legal people in 2023 at Ho that if they come to power, some of them should want to be judges so that they can change the judicial reform. And then in a recent interview on City TV's, on Channel 1 TV's Bernard Avle's show, Felix Kwakye Ofosu said something about the judiciary. Listen to it, and let's see whether we can establish a trend. Have a listen.
Again, the Chief Justice is not at the beck and call of the president. She's the head, I beg your pardon, of an independent institution.
No, I'm talking about the view towards her. I'm not talking about whether she can be removed.
I thought we have our own views. I have my own views on it. And indeed, Bernard, I'm sure you followed me. I've also been very critical of the judiciary. I don't think that they were fair to the NDC. To be honest, and I don't think they've been fair to the NDC for 32 years.
So even whilst you were in power in the previous...
Yes, I mean, you recall the Rollins era. The government of the day lost just about every case that went to court. You recall the famous case about June 4th and 31st December, the GBC case, and not the one that J.H. Minister took to court in terms of whether ministers should be vetted again once they've been appointed ministers previously or not. We lost all those cases. Under the MPP, I would say, I'm a member of the executive, I'm a member of the Parliament, and I have not hidden my dissatisfaction about the way that the judiciary has performed in this country. Look, they were manifestly unfair. Again, the Chief Justice is not...
Need I say more? I don't know. Felix Kwakye Ofosu says that the Supreme Court decision in J.H. Minister and Attorney General was wrong. I mean, this decision that has been celebrated everywhere has become a backbone of our constitution. The decision in 31st December, which has been celebrated across the world by socialists and Democrats, Republicans, everywhere, that decision showed that the Ghanaian democracy had been born. Felix Kwakye Ofosu says that those decisions were wrong and that they were against NDC. Is there a trend? Is there a trend? Is there something somebody wants to do to remove a Chief Justice, to show muscle? And they have support from former Supreme Court judges, and they are getting this support, and they are moving on. Just for information, on the Judicial Council, the president has seats on the Judicial Council. One of the people President Mahama nominated to go on the Judicial Council was Kofi Totobi Kwakye. The Honorable Kofi Totobi Kwakye is a security and intelligence man. He's one of the nominees of President Mahama for the Judicial Council. Think about it. Food for thought.